Test 1, 2. This is Shea Couleé. Hey.
Sup, gonna teach you how to take off some makeup.
I'm here with Lush to show you how to use some of their amazing makeup removers to get rid of my makeup from today's shoot. And the great thing about these products are, as opposed to traditional makeup removers that are cream-based, they don't have petroleum in them, so they won't clog up your pipes and they won't clog up your pores. So like win-win, right? So first step is remove these lashes, girl. They've been on for forever. Oh gosh, that feels so good. Put them to the side because I reuse my lashes. If you take care of them, you can use them for up to 3 months. No joke. Now first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with something that's a little bit thicker and heavy duty. I'm gonna be using Ultrabland. It's really great. It's got almond oil in it, rose water. It's very calming and soothing on the skin, but it helps to like break up all those really heavy foundations so that you can get in there and start getting that cleansing going. So let's just jump into it. I like to start right here in the cheeks. It's just so smooth, so moisturizing. And also it doesn't strip your skin. When you want to take off makeup, you also want to be really, really gentle. So I'm gonna go through, get my cloth nice and wet, and look with that one swipe how much of that makeup it takes off. Now look at that. All that makeup off, just like that. 8 hours and 8 seconds. It's great. Lips gone. Highlight, contour, obliterated. Oh, now the fun part, to go in, get all this eye makeup. And don't be afraid to get in there, get in those corners. You don't have to be worried about getting it in your eyes because it's so gentle. Treat yourself. Take the time to invest in your self-care and give yourself the makeup removing routine that you deserve. And just look at how clean that face is. It's just like, what makeup? Where? Was I even wearing it in the first place? My skin feels so nourished. And that's what you want. You want your skin to be happy when you take your makeup off, not angry. So because I was in a full-on drag face of makeup, me personally, I love to do a double cleansing. So for that, I'm gonna move over to 9 to 5 that has sweet almond oil and Dove orchid extract. Ooh, how fancy. So I'm just gonna go put a nice little amount in my hand, like so. Massage it on my face, especially in those eyes. I get so much leftover makeup just caught in all those little corners and crevices. And you only really need to like massage this for a couple of seconds, but I'm just enjoying this experience right now, so I'm gonna keep going. 9 to 5. Well, this cleanser is working overtime. Look at that. So even though the Ultrabland got so much off, there's still that little bit of makeup that like refused to leave, but 9 to 5 is like, no, I got you, thank you. Now that I've done my double cleanse, I have to follow that up with a toner. And with that, I'm going to use Eau Roma Water, which has rose petals and lavender infused into it. It's so gentle and calming. Just gonna give it a nice good spritz all over. Think some happy thoughts. Good, and then I'm going to follow up with my moisturizer. Gorgeous, which has cold pressed essential oils, which are really high quality and very, very nourishing for the skin. So just remind yourself that a little bit of gorgeous goes a long way. And seriously, a little bit goes a long way. I normally just like to do like a little dab on one of my fingers, kind of hit all these different spots on the face. That's it, guys. That's all you need. Just massage. Looking good, feeling gorgeous, but we're not done yet. The lips. The lips are so important. I love mine. I hope you love yours. So, gonna go in with some mint julep sugar scrub. It's really great for going in there and getting in those crevices where some of your lip products like to live for an extended period of time. Even after you've tried to wash them away, you're like, girl, you're not welcome here. So let's get them out. Look at how juicy already. Oh God. Follow up with Whipstick. Now Whipstick's really great because it's a sweet orange chocolate balm. I mean, I love chocolate. Look at me. Just go in, warm that up with your fingers. And just look at that moisture and luster come right back to your lips. Well guys, I've loved taking my makeup off with you, and I hope that you love incorporating these Lush products into your makeup removal routine as much as I do. And like I said, if they can get rid of all of that, they can do wonders for you too. Yeah! Yay!